In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rollups in Notion. Rollups are a powerful way to summarize information from one database into another, so you can see totals, counts, or statuses at a glance without jumping between pages. Think of them as a window into related data, perfect for dashboards, project overviews, or content calendars. Start by opening the database where you want the rollup to live. This can be any database view, table, board, list, gallery, or timeline, as long as it's the database you want to enrich with summarized information. Make sure you're in a view where adding and configuring properties is easy to see, like a table view. Before you proceed, confirm that this database already has a relation property connected to another database. A relation links items across databases, and rollups rely on that link to pull in data. You'll usually see a column where each entry references one or more items from a different database. If you don't see that, you'll need that relation in place before a rollup can work. Also, it helps if your items are actually linked through that relation, so the rollup has something to calculate. Next, add a new property. Click the plus button at the far right of your database properties to create a new column. Give it a clear name, like tasks completed, or budget total, so it's obvious what you're summarizing. Change the property type to rollup. When you select rollup, Notion will open a settings panel where you choose what to pull in. First, pick the existing relation property that connects to the other database. Then, choose the specific property from that related database you want to display. This could be a number, a checkbox, a date, a select tag, and more. Now choose a calculation. The options depend on the type of property you selected. For numbers, you might use sum, average, or max. For checkboxes, percent checked or count checked are great for progress tracking. For relations themselves, count shows how many related items there are. Dates can offer earliest or latest to surface deadlines. Pick the calculation that best answers your question. Once configured, look at the new rollup column in your database. You should see the calculated result for each row, based on its related items. If something looks off, click into the property settings to adjust the relation, the target property, or the calculation. You can also rename the rollup, change formatting, and sort or filter views to highlight what matters. And that's it. Open your database, confirm the relation, add a property, set it to rollup, pick what to display, choose a calculation, and review the results. Rollups turn scattered details into clear, actionable insights.